All right, I've been waiting for this day for months, and now we're gonna unbox new bike. I'm gonna put this on too. Safety number one. All right, let's get into it. All right, we've got it's a Commencal Meta SX V4. And I don't even know where to start. Oh my God. Got the DT Swiss rims. We're actually running Schwarbe tires, which is a first for me, so we're gonna see how we go with that. Cool. I should have brought my bike stand. I don't have it here. That's a bit of a bummer. Oh my God. Have a look in there later. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so scared. The factory suspension is getting me excited. Sugar. Oh my God, this is so sick. We haven't even built it yet. I need to build it. I'll leave all the cardboard and stuff on. I'm just trying to think, I might put the front tire on. Or is that a silly idea? No, that'll work. It's like they make bike stands for this exact reason. Oops, I got other handlebars, it's all right. Bro, gold shocks, are you kidding? I'm gonna have to grease this stuff up though. Stay. Shock pump. Oh my God. I mean, it's chill, it's whatever. Wait, I can just lean that up against it, surely. Where's my tire? Quickly. Greasing up my axle. Some on the thread too. All right, through axle. Oh my God, is that bad? What happened? Broke my bike setting it up. Yummo. Okay, we're just gonna lean it like that for a quick second. We're gonna steal this bike. Oh my God, I got too many bikes in the way. You'd think I'd be more like prepared for this sort of thing, having done it a lot of times. There we go. Okay, one thing I do need to do I change my handlebars now? Oh, obviously I would. Oops. People like me just shouldn't be allowed to build bikes. I'm just hopeless. Oh my God, see, I just dropped stuff. How do I do with the color match? Wow, pretty good actually. Oh my God, they don't fit. Oh my God, it is a lot fatter. Oh, I guess the other ones are going on for the time being. These don't fit. Why do I do this the rankest way? Jeez Louise, man. Did it even come with a tutorial? I've just been winging this whole time. Because obviously the cable, I don't know. Oh my god. Doesn't tell me how much. Does that work? Well, that I made it work. I don't know what I did, but it works.
Just need to put on a new stem, handlebars, pedals, and a couple other minor things, and once they arrive, we'll take it for the first ride.